Alrighty. So, upcoming now, we've got a westbound / northbound UP train. I do not know what kind of train it is, though. Now, green light is the railroad signal, so he's got to clear. And there goes the gates. It's going to be a little bit not so great quality because it's dark. Huh? Yeah. Yep. Yeah. And it's UP 7144. Oh, it's an oil. 7144. Oh, BNSF leader. What? No way. Wow. Wow. That was cool. No way. It's an oil train. That was awesome. Oh, sorry about that. I think my finger got in the way there a little bit, or my flashlight or something did. That was nice. There's BNSF. I had two BNSF, a CP, and a UP on the front. And I don't know what's going to be on the end of this. An oil train. It was not CP 7014, but it was a CP unit. I don't know exactly the number, but yeah. But these are pretty long, so usually it's gonna be pretty long. Oh, there was no DPUs on it. Wow. That's pretty cool. Oh, a Soo Line hopper car there. And that guy's going to cross before the gates go up.